Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be learning cloud storage, how to save files in the cloud and not to worry about lost devices or if maybe you're not with your devices. So with cloud storage, you can access files from anywhere, anytime, and you can also share files remotely with anybody, anywhere, anytime. So you just click on Google Drive. Today we're going to be using Google Drive. For Microsoft Workspace, they have their own cloud storage, which is called OneDrive. All right, they have their cloud storage, which is OneDrive. So first off, if you want to create a folder, okay, this is files that I've created before. You just click on this plus sign. Once you click on this plus sign, you can create a new folder. So it's always good to create folders so that your files are organized. So I want to create a new folder and I'm going to name it results. So let's say you want to be saving your results or your certificates here. You just create the folder and you say done. Once you say done, that folder is created. Now, if you want to upload files into that folder, you just go ahead and look for that particular folder. So we created one result. We're going to go search for it. And this is results. You just open it up. So folders helps keep your files organized. Now, if I want to upload my result into this folder, I click on plus. Always make sure the folder is opened. I click on plus and I now click on upload. So upload helps you to upload that particular result into this folder. Okay, so we're going to upload the file. So let's say I want to just use this as my result. I'll just select it up there and then you can now say upload. You can always change the file name. Okay, so you say upload and it goes up there. Now for some people, you might not upload directly if you've not used your cloud storage before. That's because settings are always set to upload over Wi-Fi. So if you click on upload and it's showing uploading, just come over to settings. Just come over to settings and change it to, just come over to settings and then scroll and you go to this place that says transfer files only over Wi-Fi and make sure it is turned off. All right, make sure it is turned off and then you will be able to upload seamlessly. So make sure it is turned off. Now if I want to share this result with somebody, all I need to do is to click on these three dots. Okay, if I want to share this particular file with a friend or a company, I click on these three dots and I go to share. All right, but you click on share. Once you click on share, you need to open it up. It's currently closed, so you click on this place where they say manage access. I'll click on manage access. It's currently restricted and I'll say change. Once you click on change, you make it open, anyone with the link. And now anybody with the link, what access do they have? Are they going to be viewers or editors? Okay, so I want them to be viewers. If you want them to be editors, that means they can change and add things to your folder. You make them an editor. But I want everybody to be able to view, so you just make it viewer. Okay, once you're done, you copy your link from this ring up here. Copy your link here. You copy your link here and you're done. You can share your link with anybody. All right, so that's how to share a particular file. If I want to share the folder itself, you just do the same thing. So there are sometimes they'll tell you to upload your files into a folder and share your folder. All you need to do is just to click on the results and you can share this particular folder. You follow the same process. You click on share or you click on manage access. All right, so it's currently closed. I'm going to open it up. Remember, if you make it open like an editor, people will be able to upload files into this folder. If I say editor access, once I copy this link, anybody with this link will be able to upload files into this folder. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.